Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make white rice. Very simple and easy. You're going to just fry one green onion. Now I usually chop it up in small pieces, but this time I was being lazy and I just fried it like that. Then you're going to add your water once the green onion is fried, and you are going to measure your rice by doing 2 to 4. So 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. So that's how I usually do it. And then I add my salt. Then you let the water boil. Make sure that the water boils before you add your rice, or else the rice will be too mushy. And now you will give it a quick stir, mix it around just a little bit. You do not want to stir your rice all the time or like a lot, because it will also make it mushy. Then after it's finished, the water is finished drying up, it will look like that. You're going to add a little bit of oil, bring your stove down to low, and then cover the rice and just let it steam so it can cook all the way through. And it should look like this once it's done. Fluffy, nice, and delicious. And that's how it looks like. Also, stay tuned for the rest of the videos that's on this plate. It will be coming soon. See you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye everyone.